Hi everyone, today we will be taking a closer look at a rather unique Super 16 lens, the Kinoptik TEGEA 5.7, which is a perfect match for Blackmagic pocket camera as well as other cameras with Super 16 crop modes. This lens comes in a few different mounts as well as few different configurations. Apart from a handy hood, my version is fully pimped out with a follow focus gear, PL mount and even its own custom flight case. As far as I know, Kinoptik 5.7 is one of the widest Super 16 lenses with linear rather than a circular fisheye distortion. It's similar to what a Kina 11-16 looks like on Super 35 sensor, and achieving such look on Super 16 is not something that can be taken for granted. Before we move on to the image quality, it's worth noting that there is no focus ring on this lens, as it's a retro focus lens. That fancy geared ring you saw earlier is actually an aperture ring. Does it mean that this lens is simply set to infinity? Well, yes and no. In case of my lens, the sweet spot seems to be around 1 meter, which is particularly evident when lens is wide open. These lenses are known to be calibrated to either closed focusing distance or infinity, so in theory you would need 2 of them to cover every shooting situation. It's worth noting that even at t5.6 this lens is not being sharp across the frame. Edges have weird, dreamy distortion and flares are quite unusual too. Overall, it's definitely not a perfect lens, but it's a unique lens that can be either a pain to use or a perfect lens for a right project. If you want to learn more about it, check out my additional write-up on VintageLensesForVideo.com.